Hello, there are multiple ways to write a code block on Discord. Let me show you all of them. So the first one is a really simple and straightforward code block. In order to do that, use a backtick in front of your message, then type your code over here or your message, and then end it with a backtick once again. And then you will create this rectangle behind the text, and it is somewhat treated as a code block. However, you can create a more complex one, and for the next step you can use three backticks, and over here you can type your code over here. I'm just gonna paste a simple C++ code, and then end your code or your message with the three backticks, and it looks like this. Of course, this is just an example, this is a program code. You can in fact write anything you want. And if you press enter, then instead of sending the message, you will go to the next line. So I'm pressing enter, and this is how it looks like. In order to, of course, to send the message, you have to end the message with three backticks. And if you want to, you can press shift and enter in order to write additional message. So after that, I'm gonna press enter, and as you can see, this one has been written in a code block, but there is also a message below the code block. Of course, you can do this above as well. Now, and the third option to use code block is by using additional coding language, programming language. So for instance, I can do three backticks, and then I can type C++, and now I can press enter in order to move to another line, to a new line. Now I'm gonna paste the same code as before, and this time, as you can see, it has colors. After that, I'm gonna type three backticks once again, and I'm gonna press enter in order to send the message. And as you can see, compared to this code block over here, this one is colored. So it all depends on which programming language you type after the first three backticks. For instance, you can type Lua, you can use just C, you can type PHP, you can, I don't know, Java, I guess. Anything that is a programming language, there is a high chance that it works, and it will color the code according to the programming language. And that's it, that's how you can write code blocks. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!